So if I listen to what you were saying, the mission of the lab, what's your core mission?
So our core mission is nuclear deterrence. So we're responsible for the safety, security, and reliability of a set of systems in the enduring nuclear weapons stockpile. And today we're also in the process of modernizing the stockpile and the production enterprise that goes along with it. So that's a big part of what we do. Maybe two-thirds of the lab by budget is devoted to that mission. And the way we do it is by applying science and technology to advanced manufacturing technologies to understand the characteristics and the operations of nuclear weapons without nuclear testing, additional nuclear testing, to understand the performance of materials in very extreme environments, to understand how these integrated systems work. And so those tools and capabilities can be applied to other problem sets. So then we go into other national security missions across the spectrum: conventional munitions, hypersonics, directed energy, electronic warfare, space, cyber, biosecurity, and we use those tools to try to solve important national security problems across that space. So I usually tell people our lab is a national security lab with a nuclear core.